Welcome, today for the OnePlus 10T, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool let's under the Icon Changer. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap here to open the app. And here we can see all of the available applications on our smartphone. For example, let's use one from this one. Here, if you want to rename this icon, this app, you can do that. I don't want to rename it. Click here to OK, and here we can see the library with different folders with the icons. Also, you can use photo from your device gallery, or to change or to use just to take a photo in your camera app right now. For example, I'll use this one. Click here to OK in the right upper corner.
Hello Dave, how you doing? Oh, hello you. Have you forgotten my name? No, of course.
Now we should just skip the ad, click here add. We can go to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So let's just find the new phone icon here, and we can here see the difference between these two icons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.